Discrete audio systems for background music applications are in high demand and require the combination of compact size and pristine sound. Your search to address this balance ends here. Introducing the Intusonic INTUCAB 4FW50T. This 4-inch wideband loudspeaker is rated at 20 watts, offering acoustic neutrality thanks to its wooden construction, and can be complemented with an Intusonic subwoofer for lower frequency extension. Inputs comprise of a 5mm screw terminal strip, and parallel speak-on compatible connections offering ultimate flexibility for the system integrator. A 100 volts transformer kit is available separately under code UTK20, further extending this loudspeaker's versatility. Impressively, the 4FW50T has a wealth of flying options. Multiple M6 and M10 mounting points line the top and connector panel for use with the inclusive eyebolts. This allows for suspension from a ceiling, RSJ or similar. They can also be used with a half coupler for direct mounting to truss or tubing. And last but not least, the optional M6 suspension bracket allows further flexibility when installing. Available in both black and white, the INTUCAB 4FW50T really is an installer's dream when it comes to providing high-quality audio in a small, discreet package. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.